Hi, Lucy. Let's just take a quick look here at the page that we're talking about, just to make sure I'm on the same page. This background here, this blue background. So you can resize these images here to whatever you need. The background, what it will do is there's just some padding, and there's a background image. So let's just take a look at this because maybe we need to make a larger background image for you. Or help out with that, or you can put your own image in there, but let's just take a look where all the information comes from, then decide on what you want to do. In the default slider, right here, okay, and right up here at the very top, this line right here, see the, sorry, this one right here, 30 and 62, so we have 30, a margin of 30 on the top and a margin of 62 on the bottom, maximum width of 900. Now this you can change to whatever you want. You can bump this up to 200, and I think that would do is actually push, see that? It pushes it down like that, so you can adjust the top margin. The same with the bottom. The bottom has more because it has the buttons down here. So that's the only way to really resize. There's no height on the background, it's just margin. Okay, so I didn't know if that's what you were looking for, but basically anything to do with that slider on the index page, it's all coming from the default slider style sheet, and seeing as how there's very little here to style. But let's take a look at the actual background image itself, because maybe that's what maybe you want to change that. So I'll just take a look to see in the code here. Let's go find that slider. There it is right here. Now it's using the default slider background style. Let's see if it's coming out of here. And here it is right here at the very top. That's the background image that's being pulled up. It's the Site Graphics default background. If I were to create a new page and design it and then go to our Site Graphics, and you may have figured this part out already, but this image right here, default background JPEG, that is the image being used. Okay, there's how tall it is, which would be in the 550 pixels tall. So if you need a new background image because you've really resized the pictures in there, let me know. We'll create a bigger one for you, or you can create your own, 1680 or up by whatever height you want, and then you can just call it default dash background or BG, default BG JPEG. Toss it into the Site Graphics folder to replace what's there, and then it'll just take up whatever space is available.